Hello, welcome. I'm Andres, and today we're going to be talking about cell parts, their functions, and other organelles. So, quick introduction to be a quick crash course of the cell structure. We're going to go over some parts of the cell structure to better understand their functions. So, the major parts of a cell are the nucleus, cytoplasm, and cell membrane. Usually, every cell contains these three major parts. So, cell membrane, the framework of the cell membrane is a phospholipid bilayer, which includes water soluble, which is hydrophilic, and water insoluble, which is hydrophobic. The bilayer is absorbent to lipid soluble substances, but are non-absorbent to water soluble substances. Cholesterol stabilizes the membrane, which helps it keep it non-absorbent to water-soluble substances. Membranes also consist of membrane proteins, which are pores, channels, receptors, enzymes, cell contact, and identification. Also CAMs, which are cell adhesion molecules, and also there are carbohydrates, which they are cell recognition and interaction self-makers. Next, we have the nucleus. The nucleus is the largest and most prominent of a cell's organelle. This is like the main part of the cell structure. It is recognized as the control center of the cell because it has the function to store all of the genetic instructions for manufacturing proteins. Also, on the nucleus, there is a nuclear envelope, which are porous double-layered membrane. This separates nucleoplasm from cytoplasm. Nuclear pores allow passage of certain substances. Also, inside of the nucleus is a nuclei, which is a dense body of RNA and protein, site of ribosome production. Next, we have chromatin, which is condensed. It consists of cells' chromosomes, each containing DNA with around protein. It consists of cell chromosomes, each containing DNA wound around proteins. It also stores information for protein synthesis. So next we have cytoplasm. Cytoplasm consists of networks of membranes and organelles suspended in cytosol. So all living cells and multicellular organisms containing internal cytoplasmic compartment in the nucleus within the cytoplasm. So cytosol is fluid portion of the cytoplasm, the fluid medium necessary for biochemical reactions. Organelles are tiny solid structures with specific functions in the cell. We have is cytoplasmic organelles, which is all within the cytoplasm. So to start it off, we have endoplasmic reticulum, which is also abbreviated as ER. So a quick fact, there is smooth ER and rough ER. So the endoplasmic reticulum is a system of channels that is continuous with the nuclear membrane covering the nucleus. So there is membrane-bound sacs, canals, and vesicles, tubular transport system, and so the rough ER contains ribosomes and conducts protein synthesis, and smooth ER does not have ribosomes and conducts lipid synthesis. So those are the two differences between rough ER and smooth ER. Next, we have ribosomes. A ribosome is an organelle that serves as the site of protein synthesis. It is made up of two ribosomal RNA subunits that wrap around mRNA to start the process of translation, followed by protein synthesis. It is composed of protein and RNA. It is free in cytoplasm or on RER, and they provide structural support and enzyme activity to link amino acids in protein synthesis.